If you work anywhere near AI, you've heard this word a million times. Hallucinations, GPT hallucinations, Claude hallucinations, every model hallucinations. But here's the real question in February 2026. Is that still true, or does it make you sound outdated? Today, we're breaking down the real state of AI hallucinations, with brand new research, a major AI conference scandal, and the part almost nobody talks about. Most people understand what hallucination means, but not why it happens. The truth is simple. AI does not learn truth, it learns text statistics. When an AI model is trained, it absorbs billions of sentences from all over the internet. Books, blogs, scientific papers, tweets, Reddit threads, all mixed together. And during training, nothing tells the model which parts are true, false, jokes, or satire. It's all just text. So when the model tries to answer your question, it predicts the most likely sequence of words, whether the fact behind those words is rare, common, or completely wrong. Imagine somewhere in the training data, one single article mentions a guy named Adam Cleo and says his birthday is in autumn. One sentence among billions. Later you ask, when is Adam Cleo's birthday? The model isn't lying. It simply has no statistical confidence, so it guesses confidently. In OpenAI's September 2025 paper, models answered March 7th, June 15th, January 1st. All wrong, all confident, because the model never learned truth, only patterns. This second issue is even worse, and we created it ourselves. Think back to high school. You reach a multiple choice question and you have no idea what the answer is. You can leave it blank, or you can guess and have a 25% chance of being right. Guessing increases your score. AI models learn the exact same strategy. Almost every benchmark that evaluates GPT, Claude, Gemini, or Grok uses binary scoring, correct or incorrect, but I don't know scores 0. So during training, the AI learns honesty is punished, guessing is rewarded, and that's how hallucinations become learned behavior. In November 2025, the NeuroIP conference took place in San Diego. Over 21,000 papers were submitted, one of the most prestigious AI conferences on the planet. Only 20% got accepted, but last month, researchers audited nearly 5,000 of those accepted papers and found something shocking. Authors who don't exist. Fake citations, references like first name, last name, others, entire sections written with AI that invented sources. This wasn't just hallucination in chatbots. This was hallucination embedded into scientific research. It proved one thing: hallucinations aren't just an AI flaw, they're a systemic problem. Frontier models like GPT-5 now use web search to verify information before answering. This single change dropped hallucination rates significantly. It dropped rates from 47% down to 9.6%, a 5 times improvement. For document tasks, RAG, or retrieval augmented generation, adds a large improvement. When implemented well, hallucinations drop by 40% or more. Instead of only checking if the final answer is correct, newer systems evaluate the reasoning steps. This allows errors to be caught before they compound. But these are improvements, not fixes. Strip away web access and RAG, you're right back to 47% hallucinations on rare facts. No, and here's the truth most people never say: hallucinations are mathematically inevitable in current AI architectures. Because models cannot distinguish truth from fiction during training, and benchmarks reward confident guessing. So hallucinations remain baked into the system itself. If you're using GPT, Claude, Gemini, or Grok with web search enabled, which is the default, you're mostly safe. Hallucination rates are now low enough that it won't affect most users. But if you disable web access or rely on local models without retrieval, understand that the model is still guessing when facts are rare. AI isn't dumb. AI isn't magical. AI is a hyper-intelligent parrot with a probability calculator. Brilliant, but fundamentally limited. And until we build models that learn truth instead of text, hallucinations are not going away. Follow this channel for real AI insights, not PR.